Marcus wants to do a duet,
Yeah,
a karaoke duet.
karaoke. Wherever you go, whatever you do.
I reckon they'll be after a few. Hi guys, Farnel here. I'm here with Ninja, and I just wanted to talk to you about an issue that I found with some clients where their hip flexors are a bit of a problem. You can be sitting down at work, or you can be a sports person playing football or soccer, moving laterally, and you can have certain muscles around your hip area really tight and limiting what you can do. And I'm going to just treat a couple of places on Ninja just to show you what we do here. So before we start, the first thing we do is we just test and just find out where the actual points of pain and tensions are, and where the limited movements are. So first of all, we do this, and I just ask Ninja, are you okay there? Not a problem at all. Not a problem. I'll do an internal, external rotation there. You okay?
Yeah.
Internal rotation. You
Feel
okay?
that a little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, around there. Okay. All right. I find that with people I treat, the internal rotation, they usually feel it around here or along there. So just it's just a good pointer. The other thing I'll do is I'll ask Marcus just to pull with your knee towards you. Yeah. While I stop you, you feeling anything there?
No.
Okay. Now push your leg out with it. Nothing? No. Okay. I want you to push your leg down. Pull down. Anything there?
No. A little bit of
hamstring. A little bit in the hamstring area? Okay. Now push your leg up. Anything there?
Maybe slightly, but nothing too
Nothing.
bad.
Okay. Yeah. The thing I'd want to do is just I want you to push your leg up. Anything there? Feeling anything?
Not too bad.
Okay.
No.
Now I want you to pull your leg towards you that way. Okay? Pull towards you. You feeling anything?
No.
Okay. So what I was doing there, I was trying to work out if one of his psoas muscle is causing pain. And it doesn't at the moment. But what we'll do is, if people that have issues with their hip flexors, I will at the moment treat Marcus in his adductors. I will treat him where his TFL is, and I also will treat him just basically along the attachment of his rec fem. So the first thing I will do, and basically what we do here, we want to get down to the source of pain, and I will pin the adductor tendon. Yeah. Right.
Under there. Money spot,
okay,
bro.
Money spot, exactly. Yeah. So what we find is that's it. That's better. Yeah. That's better. Okay. And this is important. You just sit there, wait for the client, and wait for that pain level to ease, and it will release, and able to increase his range of motion. In fact, while I remember, recently I treated an AFL player, a former AFL player who still plays football but had adductor problems, and I treated him as I am now, and his first words were to me, "It's the first time I've ever been treated here," and it's an important part of the body that you need to treat as an athlete. Whether you're kicking a ball, running, moving laterally, so important to have it attended to. Okay. Okay.
That's good, man. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to just have a slight movement.
Yeah, that's good,
with
mate.
him just to release it.
Yeah.
Okay. And
really
you
good.
just explore, just change your angles a little bit.
Yeah. Great.
Okay.
That's good. Feels right.
Feels right? Okay, yeah. It's not traumatic pain, it's just basically feel like it's working something.
Yeah, feels important.
Good.
And like we were saying before too, like we go into this area of the body and where it's sort of, people don't realise how important it is and how much benefit you can gain from having good work done here. And even if you don't really have awareness that you're a bit blocked in these, there's lots of pain when you push into it, and and the freedom and the movement, the gains you get afterwards as well are just phenomenal. I always get surprised, even though I've had this work done, you sort of still good to refresh it and get the gains back.
And I'm going to just grab that, just pin it against the bone, the tendon.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah. It's just a deep knowing that this is really good for you, and it's hitting some old, stuck, stubborn, parts of your body that just need a bit of plumbing, bit of flow in it.
And sometimes because you get so used to a particular movement for such a long time, you don't know what you're missing out on. And when you feel that freedom and you realise, this is how I'm meant to be.
Yeah. Like that. You don't know what you're missing out on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Good. So we train together now, Farnsy, don't we?
We do. Love it.
Yeah, we love it. It's old blokes.
It's actually my second week at the lift club.
Yeah.
But as of last Monday, I felt so much more, so much better, and I felt a lot stronger as a result, which is really, really good.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been training at the gym before that, so just in case people think after 2 sessions you're all good, it takes a while.
It's a lifelong pursuit.
Exactly.
Strength work.
Oh, it is.
You got to keep it up and
never stop.
Yeah,
never stop.
For life.
Oh, it is. It's a life thing. Yeah.
Live for life, isn't it? Like you need to.
You know that saying that if you don't use it, you lose it.
Yeah.
It is so true.
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
You only got the one body. You look after it.
Yeah.
So important.
You love that little saying, don't you? So true. We're committed, and like we just love the community. I think more than anything, you get swept along in it. And like I'm doing PBs when I kind of gave up on that 10 years ago type of thing. Like I'm still trying to have a crack at getting personal bests, and still really pushing, challenging myself and stepping up the nerves and all that kind of stuff to before you do a PB, a personal best. Like
yes, I know.
It's crazy. I reckon it's like a spiritual experience, like because everything is channeled into this event. After 7 weeks of work, or a lifetime of lifting and things like that, but you're still channeling into a moment.
Yes.
The body, mind, spirits all kind of coming together, plus the community around you, all willing that bar to come up with you. You stand up. There's something in that to stand up and empower yourself. It's
definitely. Yeah. And when you achieve it, it's a great feeling, isn't it?
It's the best.
It's the best.
It's the best ever. And I remember there's a picture of me, or I was behind Farnsy last week when we were doing the 2 reppers. Trying to get you to stand up. I was behind you, willing it. I was trying to telepathy or whatever it is. I was trying to get.
Well, 2018, I was able to do a set of 4 lifting 140 kilograms, deadlifting.
Yeah.
And it's been ages since I've been able to do that. So to do 1 rep of 130, it was a great feeling. It was great, knowing that I can do it. So, I've crossed that line. Now, next step is to get up to 140.
Yeah. We're doing it together, man.
Yeah, and that's what helps. But being with other folks, just spurs you on to be able to achieve more than what you can do on your own. Yeah, so important.
Absolutely. Like I was saying, I felt like I gave up on that real competitive thing of getting PBs, and I was just really enjoying doing things for my health and for the community. Yeah. But then I've been swept up, and you're kind of pushing yourself at an older age. Yeah. Like you can still do it. It's still physically possible. If the mind gives up, you never do these hard things.
That's right.
Do you?
That's right.
So we're really challenging ourselves.
Exactly. Exactly.
So it's an amazing feeling. Like I feel proud of myself for trying to do a personal best.
I know.
The other day, I couldn't get it up. I got it to my knees, this 195 kilo lift. I think I weigh 78 kilos, so it was like...
That's a lot.
Yeah. So, but I did 14 weeks ago, because we do 7-week cycles, I did equaled my PB of, hadn't done that for 10 years, so, and I tried to go an extra 5 kilos. And on my squat, I think I squatted the best I've done for 20 years. To 135. So,
but it's been like a gradual process. You haven't done it overnight. You've worked at it and stayed at it.
12 months.
Conditioned your body, and you're able to do that.
But I've been lifting continuously once a week for 22 years.
That's a lot.
So since 2001, I've made it a pack. This is good stuff. I'm lifting. And I'm getting people to do it with me. Yeah. And I'm 50, so that competitive thing when you're in your 20s and 30s, it's
exactly.
I thought it was gone, but it's still there.
Hey, you're older than me.
Like when we get on the scales, our biological age is younger, so that's something to hang our hat on, isn't it?
Yeah,
be proud of.
Exactly.
And we're lifting with these young blokes, so we just.
Well, I'll tell you what, doing the bench presses, I was able to beat the other 2 young guys. Last week. Aaron and
you can bench more than
Adam.
your son.
Yeah, exactly.
That's cool. What did you get, man?
90 kilograms.
Got the 90, same as me, man.
90. I want to push for 100.
Yeah, we'll get it.
We'll get it.
We'll get it together, man. Right. So that's going to be a real challenge.
Great. You okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Great. So what I'm going to get you to do.
Bloody unreal. Oh, you can sense that's been really worked, yeah.
So I'm just kind of 2 more.
Go into that.
Here. Okay, so just...
Top of the quads.
Yeah. This is what I do.
Whoa, he's getting some...
Mate, you've got good muscle there. If you've been running since 2001 lifting, you've got good leg muscles. Okay.
Oh,
how's that?
Pinning that. Oh, that's... I can feel... Oh. You got some strength, man. Yeah, I feel like there's a confidence there, a certainty that you're delivering that message coming through to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's cool.
But I am careful with people, like, we'll work within their capacity of pain. So once we get to a 7 on a scale of 1 to 10, I stop. Yeah. So that we can make good progress in releasing the muscle, and then apply a little bit more pressure later and see, make sure to clean up all the limitations that are there.
Yeah. But just holding things is...
It's important, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's just how slowly melts.
Yeah. From watching what Farnsy's doing with me, you can just get that from watching. We don't actually glide across the skin, and we're just trying to really pin really important spots.
Yeah.
And that's the key spot. Whoa. Oh dear.
Too sharp.
Yeah, you're pushing me. You're pushing me, man. Breathe through that. Although we're just doing a demo, mate.
No, just to do it.
You know what he's doing? He doesn't want to do videos. I'm booking into his diary.
I'm paying him back.
He's getting me back for putting him on the spot. I'm telling you, this is what growth is, Farnsy. It's doing the things that you don't want to do. It's stepping up to the bar. This is his stepping up to the bar, isn't it? Like, and you don't get anywhere in the comfort zone. It's the challenge. Oh, bloody amazing work, man. That just feels like...
I feel good. What about you? This is what I'm interested in. Are you feeling there? Anything there?
That feels better too.
Okay.
I can just feel my back from lifting the other night. Just lifted such a heavy thing that it's just feeling like it's still healing, but it's fine. That was really good.
Can I get you to roll over to your side, please, mate?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. And I'll just do your TFL. Like that there, put it there, definitely. Yeah. Let's cover you up, Marcus. It's important.
You want to go on the skin, or you want to go through the towel?
I'm going to go through the towel, mate.
All right,
I'm going to go through the towel. Okay. So I'm going to do... There's 2 ways of doing it. I'll pin it up with my elbow. But the other way I could do it is go on the other side with my thumbs, just pushing into that TFL and trying to release that. That TFL is connected to your IT band, as well as your glute max. And if either of those muscles are really tight, it's going to pull on your IT band and cause you pain. So it's important to release those. So I'll just... Ready, Marcus?
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. This always brings up things for me. I can remember 1999, I was the model in one of my classes. I was learning this stuff, and I'm still traumatized from it because I remember it's like the most intense feeling I've had, in my life, and it was just zinging straight down to my foot and my little toe.
Yeah, and it can refer, can't it?
Yeah, it was just paralysing. Yeah. So this is, just the feelings you get. You don't even know you got stuff going on in here.
Working there.
Yeah, it's starting to melt now.
Yeah.
So you got to go through that. When you're receiving stuff, you got to go through this initial intense feeling, sensation. You shouldn't even call it pain. It's just intense sensation, and you know that it's good. You kind of know the difference between trauma and a good pain.
Yeah, exactly.
So now I'm quite comfortable, and Farnsy hasn't let up on me. He's probably bearing it a bit more when I said it's getting more comfortable.
As he relaxes, naturally. I press a little bit more.
Yeah. He's getting me back today. Excuse me.
That's all right. It's okay.
But I want to talk to you about something, Farnsy.
Yeah, what is it?
Me and you, we're going to do an act. We've been planning this act for a while. We've got the start of Lift Club each week. I've got a little tradition. I've been vacuuming, and I like my vacuuming before Lift Club, and play our song. Stumbling in.
Marcus wants to do a duet,
a karaoke. Wherever you go, whatever you do.
I reckon they'll be after a few drinks, my friend.
These reckless thoughts of mine are following you. I like the raspy bit. Are you going to do the girl bit? Susie Quattro?
Not on camera, mate.
Farnsy's actually a singer. He's going to...
I'm not.
And a guitarist.
I get to play guitar, yeah.
But he sings.
Well...
And I don't sing. I just bloody had a bit of a go then. That's my favourite, that raspy bit. It's from... When was that song? In the 70s, wasn't it?
Oh, it was the 70s. Susie Quattro and...
Chris Norman.
Yeah. What was the band he was in?
Smokey.
Smokey, yeah.
Yeah. That was like a...
That were the days.
Yeah.
It was music without any kind of electronic devices. It was like pure
real
musicians
music.
playing.
Real music.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Marcus's vintage. Mine is the 90s.
Yeah, he's a bit younger than me. I go back a bit more before phones and stuff. No computers when I went to school, I tell you. We had to go around to your mate's house and knock on the door or ring on the phone and to the house. And
slide rule.
Yeah, you need more courage back in the day. There was none of this texting bullshit and none of this swiping and Farnsy. No, back in the day, we had more courage, didn't we?
We did.
We had to, we knew how to write, things like this.
Yeah.
Knew how to spell, remembered number plates, remembered phone numbers. We knew how to change our oil and water.
Exactly. Oh, definitely. Like, I knew so many numbers. Now everything's on my phone.
Yeah. Don't need to remember it.
No, don't remember.
Just Google everything.
Just when your battery dies and you need to...
You're lost. Your phone's dead. Oh! Where is it? Where's all my stuff? It's all on my phone.
All right.
Whoa. That was intense. That was camping, mate.
Line your back again, please, mate. There, I want to do a quick test on you. All right, Marcus. We're on camera.
Don't forget. What do we say? Curls get the girls.
Okay. Triceps get
Tries get the guys. That's feeling amazing.
Feeling better?
Yeah, it's feeling amazing.
Now, Marcus and I have had a lot of fun doing this together. But seriously, if you have got any hip flexors issues as an athlete or just sitting at your work or whatever, come and see us. But we'll be able to help you out, okay? So don't hesitate, make a booking. In terms of booking, just to let you guys know that I'm no longer on the next gen rates anymore. I treat at 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes and an hour and a half at different rates. So if you don't see me on next gen, check me out on what do we call it?
The other place in the booking portal.
Exactly. Yeah. So you can still book with me. So if you booked in the past and you're wondering where have I gone, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here, loving it, and at Furniture Gully as well. So I'd love to meet you and treat you.
Yeah. He's evolving. And you can have fun while you're getting treated.
Yeah, exactly.
Look, it doesn't have to be sterile and all that kind of stuff, clinical. Like you can be even better.
Yeah, exactly.
The relationship, the banter and things like that is part of it. It can be part of your treatment, So yeah.
Thank you, Marcus.
Thank you.
You've been a good client.
Done!